Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show how to download and install VLC Media Player on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. Type VLC Media Player download Windows 10 or 11. So first this is the official link https double https colon double slash www.videolan.org. Click this one. So this is the download VLC. This is the arrow mark is there that. So it will show you multiple options. So installer for 64-bit version. This is I am using Windows 64-bit. So click this. This is for the VLC for Windows. This is free and open source. So installer for 64-bit version. Click this one. Wait some time, it will be downloaded. It will be start downloading. See, it is automatically starting the downloading after 2 or 3 minutes. So wait until this download completed. Meanwhile, create one folder for this VLC player. So I am every software installing on D drive. So I am creating new folder VLC. VLC. So let's check it is download completed. Go to folder location. This is there in downloads. Control X, Control X, go to folder. This folder we are created in D drive, right? So after that, right click, run as administrator. So it will open on pop-up, say to as. So select the language. I am choosing same English. Okay. Next it is welcome to VLC media player setup. Click to next. After that, some license agreement. If you want to, you can read and say to next. So what are the enables? Like choose components. Which components you want? You can choose by defaultly. All will be selected mostly. Say to next. See space required 182.9 MB is required to work with this VLC media player. Next, this destination folder. Which location? Choose install location. So I am choosing D. Every software I am installing on D drive. It is recommended you to install in D drive as well. Install. Space required. Say how much space required. Space available. In my laptop, this much space is free space is there. So install. Where sometime installation will be completed. So it will take around 2 or 3 minutes to complete this process. Sometimes it will take only 1 minute to complete. It just extracting the files. So see it is completed within the 1 minute. If you want to run VLC media player launch, then check marks. If you don't want to launch, uncheck like this. I want to launch, so I'm selected finish. So see allow media network access regular check for VLC update. I'm saying continue. This is the VLC player. So this is the VLC player. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this video.